Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how we can use Data Wrangler to clean and transform the data in a Fabric notebook. So let's first load a data here. I have already created a lakehouse. Let's upload a file. Let's upload this file. So now the file is uploaded. Let's open a new notebook. We have the sales performance dataset here. Let's load this data to Spark Data Frame. Let's run the cell. Okay, so now the data set is loaded. Now, in order to perform any kind of data transformation or data cleaning, we have to write a PySpark code here to do the same. But in Microsoft Fabric, we have one more option of Data Wrangler here, and also we can see here the same option. So the Data Wrangler, we can do all the transformation and it will generate the code. So let's click on Data Wrangler. So we have the Spark data frame in this session. Let's select the Spark data frame. Okay, so this is the panel for Data Wrangler. So in the left side, we can see the operation panel, and in the right side, we can see the summary panel, and in the middle, we can see the data set here, and at the top of each column, we can see a small summary of the data set. And if I will click any of the column, in the right panel, we can see the complete summary of that particular column. And we can see here is a small cleaning step section here. So here, just like similar to Power Query, whatever steps we are going to apply, we can see the steps here. So we can delete any steps in between also from here. So let's try some data transformation here. So let's take this zip mode column. So let's say we want to split out this zip mode column into two different columns. So we'll come here in the operations and we'll search for split. We have a split text. So in the zip mode column, we have a space as a delimiter. So we can see here it has already generated a code, and if I will click on apply, it will apply the step. So now we can see the zip mode column is split out into two different columns. One is second and another is clause. So let's remove this column. If I click on drop column, here it will show me the target columns, and if I will click on apply, the code is already generated. It will apply that particular code and the column is dropped now. Let's try something else. If I want to rename the column, so let's rename the column to just zip mode. So we can see here it has again provided the code, and if I click on apply, it will apply the step. So now the column name is zip mode. In the same way, we can apply different kind of transformation here. So let's say there are some suggestions also. So for example, we have one suggestion of one hot encoding. So if I do one hot encoding, so as we know, like in one hot encoding, we convert the one column into the category of that particular column into different columns. So we can see it is doing the same thing here. And if I will click on apply, it will apply that step also. So we can see now the zip mode column is converted into zip mode first, same, second. And here we can see all the cleaning steps, whatever steps we are applying. So if I want to remove this step, I will click on delete. It will delete that step itself. So this is also one of the good part. So in this way, we can apply different kind of transformation here. We can see the different kind of transformation here. Let's try something else. For the region column itself, let's do some formatting step. Let's do the convert text to uppercase. So see, again the code is generated and steps is happening. If I will click on apply, it will apply the step. So whatever steps we want to apply, we have applied here. And we can see here, add code to notebook. If I will click on this, it will give me the complete code PySpark one. And if I click on include pandas code, it will include the pandas code also. But as of now, we can see the code for all the steps that we have applied over there. It has generated the code. If I click on add, it will add the code in our notebook itself. So let's run this code. See. So the, now we can see we have the new data frame df underscore clean. So if we'll check some of the steps that we have applied, we have splitted out the seed mode into two columns, then we have dropped the columns, and also for reason we have done the uppercase for all the values. So this is also applied. So in this way we can use the data wrangler to do the data transformation, data cleaning in the Fabric notebook. It will generate the code and code will be here, but we don't have to write the code and we can do the transformation and cleaning over there. Thanks for watching.